Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up as a member on Akilaah Solutions. So basically, your organization must have given you your code, your unique code. So this is the unique code in my URL. I've copied it and I've pasted it in my browser. You can paste this in your browser on your laptop and it will bring you to the screen that you're looking at. So the first thing is that you want to type in your first name. Let's say my first name is Akilaah, and let's say my surname is Member. So you're going to choose your different account types. It can be individual, it can be corporate, it can be associate. So individual gives you full access. You can have access to our shares, to our loans, to our savings, and our marketplace. For corporate, you can have for businesses and same access as individuals. And for associates, you have only savings. So basically, let's choose individual to make this fast. So you're going to choose your institution. So these are your institutions. So you can choose your institutions that are actually available here. So your institutions are like clusters. So these are clusters of your particular organization. So basically, let me choose, for example, I want to sign up under Abuja Cooperative. So let me choose Abuja Cooperative. And I'm going to choose in my marital status. So I'm going to choose single. I'll choose my gender. My gender is male. I'll choose my date of birth and I'll choose my nationality. I'll choose my referral. If you have any referral, you can type it. Or if not, you just put any. So I'm going to put any in my case. So I'm going to put in my phone number. All right. And I'm going to put in my email address. So you're going to put in your real email address. In this case, I'm just putting is a test environment, so I'm just using a test account. So basically, I'm going to get the email, I'm going to get the password, type in the password again, and I'll click on register. All right, great. So the next thing you're going to be presented to is an OTP screen. But before that, you have to go to your email address. So I'm going to go to my email address. I'm going to type in Yopmail. So this is my email provider for test purpose. All right, great. So I'm going to type in my email. So now I'm putting my email address. All right, you can see my OTP has been sent. So let me copy my OTP code. So I've copied my OTP code. I'm going to go to verification and simply click on verify account. All right, brilliant. So that's how fast it is. I've actually just verified my account. So the next thing we have to do is to update our KYC. So I'm going to update my KYC. And I'm going to choose my ID type. For example, I'm going to choose NIN. So I'm going to type in my NIN code. I'll choose my education level. So I'll say PhD. I'll choose my country. I'll choose my bank name. So let me choose OPay, for example. Test purposes. I'll choose OPay. And let me quickly just get my account details. All right, so I've gotten my account details, so let me put it. All right, so the name will appear, and you have to put in your BVN, and you put in your local government LGA residence. This is not compulsory. You can actually leave all these fields. And the next thing we have to do is we have to upload the identification card. So let me do that. Let me choose this, for example. And then click on save changes. So you need to first put a valid NIN. So I put my valid NIN, and so what you have to do is just click on save changes. All right, so my KYC is submitted. So the next thing I have to do is that the organization, when you submit your KYC, the organization has to actually approve your KYC. So let me just quickly go that. This is out of scope. This is just me approving the KYC of the member trying to onboard. So let me go to organization to make the approval. So I'm going to go to membership management and I'll click on view all KYCs and I should click on submitted. And you can see this is me. I just submitted. So I'm going to click on view KYC and approve. So once my approval is made and I go back, you can see now uh, this screen will now present to you. So it's now completed. So I have to click on dashboard now and make a registration payment. So this registration payment is the fee your organization sets plus charges. So let me click on pay registration fee. So you're going to be brought up to the screen. This is a test account, remember? In your own case, you're going to be brought up to your bank account details whereby you can transfer and you can make payments. So let me just click on pay. And once you pay, you're brought in the full access. So this is how to onboard as a member on Akilaah platform.